Hi, good morning and welcome back. Today let's learn about horsepower balancing, that is called HP balancing. So you know what is actually balancing. What is HP balancing? For example, if we take a machinery or an automobile or any mining equipment, there will be two type of power requirement over there. One will be for the hydraulic operation. There will be hydraulic machinery, hydraulic pumps and hydraulic circuit and systems linked with it. So the hydraulic system needs some power, and there will be some other auxiliary units and some other systems which will be also connected with the whole unit, which mechanical linkages would be there. So that won't be hydraulic operated. So that system also requires power, and both these systems will be supplied the power by a single engine or a single prime mover. So if we have an engine over here, this engine need to supply power for the hydraulic system and also any other system which is in the unit. So this engine need to produce that much amount of energy for both the systems to run. So for that we need to calculate the power requirement for both the systems and balance them out. That's called as HP balancing or horsepower balancing in an engine. So when we take a system, say if we have a system which is like a JCB machine, has a hydraulic requirement and also which has an automobile power requirement, and we have a single engine, a single prime mover. So what happens is that say if the automobile part of it requires a power of 50 HP. So it is a 50 HP requirement for the automobile section of the machinery, automobile, okay, and our hydraulic system requires a required amount of power. So before getting into an engine, we should first understand what's the power requirement for our hydraulic system, and we need to procure, or we need to install an engine which can support both the systems at the same time. Okay, now the formula for calculating the hydraulic HP is flow into pressure by a constant 442. Okay, the flow is in LPM. Say we are taking the flow as 91 and the pressure we are taking it as 228. Okay, so what is the constant? Dividing it by constant, we get the HP as 46.94 HP. So it is 46.94 HP is for the hydraulic system, and for the automobile system it is 50 HP. Totally it's coming like 50 plus 46.94 HP. So it is 96.94 HP. So this is the total amount of HP for running both the hydraulic and the automobile system. Okay, so we need an engine with more power or same power as that. So we can take an engine of 100 HP so that both the systems can work at the same time or simultaneously. So this is how a hydraulic HP has been created and an automobile HP has been balanced with. So this process is called HP balancing. So we need to always do an HP balancing, or need to take the power requirement of a system so that that engine can support it or not. So this process is HP balancing. This is simply been explained, not been complicated. There are more details which need to be gone in. So I just briefed about it so that you get an understanding about it. I believe you got an idea about what horsepower balancing is all about. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you have any doubt, please drop a comment. We will respond to it. And you can click the subscribe button so that as we upload new technical videos, it will directly come to your inbox. Have a great day, and thanks for watching this video.